Greetings, this is Daniel Tal. I hope you're having a really good day. This is part 2 on the CAD to SketchUp conversion process. In part 1, I actually had this imported CAD file in SketchUp and I showed how to use the Dynascape extension to create faces from it. In the next video after this one, I'm going to show you another extension that you can use, CAD to SketchUp extension. But before we go on, I also have, when we imported this in from AutoCAD, I have all these components in here that I need to model now. And the nice thing is, I'm going to have my component library open right here. And I'm going to drop this tree in here, scale it up obviously. But I can bring that right into, I'm going to cut it, I'm going to go right into this component. I'm going to paste it right in there. And that's why having blocks like this is great in order for quickly converting. I'm going to put another tree in here next. See what else we've got. Try this one from the warehouse. Not that one. Yeah, you never know sometimes what was downloaded and what wasn't. I think we can go with this one. And we'll scale this again. I'm going to cut it out and I'm going to go into the component instance. I'm hiding the rest of the model. I have a video on that to understand what that means. I'm going to place this right in there, delete that. And there you have, I've already replaced this whole thing. Just going to scale these down a little bit. So I have the trees. I have pedestrian lights and benches in here. Here are the benches. I'm going to go back to my component folder. I have videos on components and on some of the other stuff that I'm mentioning here, just so you know. This is the 3D warehouse components. They're linked below if you want these. They're wonderful in terms of using them for quick models. And I'm going to let's grab this nice bench. I always like this one. We'll scale it. Again, I think my model scale was off when I did it originally. I'm going to rotate these so they're all facing the other way. But you can see that they're now all in the model. The last one I'm going to do, again, I'm using hide rest of model. I have a tutorial on that shortcut in particular. And I'm going to go get some lighting. Let's see, lighting exterior. I like to search, and I'm just dragging and dropping these right into my model. Like, no fuss, no import. Just literally drag and drop it right into the model. I'm going to bring it into this component here. I'm going to scale it again because I might have done something wrong with my import. Might have imported as an architectural scale. But there you go. This is how quickly between both videos that are combined maybe 10, 11 minutes, how quickly you can start modeling things from CAD once you bring them into SketchUp. Having that component library available is pretty helpful. And again, like, it could be bollards, it could be fencing, it could be whatever else. But that's how you approach CAD to SketchUp modeling, and we use it effectively. This also works going from terrain and contours from CAD into SketchUp, which will be a whole separate set of videos in the future. And if you like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe and share the video. We'd appreciate that. Let us know in the comments if there's any kind of content you'd like to see. And I thank you and hope you have a really good day.